Hey lovely people, good afternoon to you. And today I'm here. And today basically I'd like to show you the view that is really incredible. You'll be surprised to see because you can guess already that what gonna I'm sharing today. Okay. So by the way, you can see this is the view in my place area, and I'm right now on boat. This is amazing view you guys see. Okay, so basically right now I'm here with my two company, and they are kids you can see. Okay, I'd like to show you the kids. They are just collecting, they're collecting water lily, you can see guys. And you can see their cloud. Oh my goodness, the cloud is mind-blowing. And here's you can see the boat riders. He's not like a perfect boat rider. I can say that he is not intelligent, but we can see that the red wears the red pant. He's a really good boat rider. He can ride perfectly. And by the way, you can see he's just collecting water lily. This is the amazing view in my village, and it's for a long time that I'm here. It has been a long time that I never here come here as usual. But today I said them that please bring me with you guys, because I like I like to enjoy with you, and I like to see with you the natures and the beauty of my areas. You can see this is cool, really. You can see guys, this is water, and this water gives me huge peace. And when I can see like natural things, suppose this is water lily. It's rare guys, because if you are belonging village, then you know the happiness of happiness. If you are in village, and you can see, you can enjoy this type of environment, this type of beautiful places you can see. But if you are belonging like cities area, it's rare to get this type of water lily or environment as well both. And one thing that I gonna show you, share with you guys, I feel like really jolly when I am in my areas, like village area, because you can see here's my area. There's the color trees and trees, greenness, and everything is made by our Almighty Allah. That's why it's beautiful. It has also one beauty, that if you want to enjoy the beauty, then you have a good mind. Except a good mind, you can't enjoy. Okay, by the way guys, you can see now I gonna again show you how they are water lily. You can see this is water lily. This is water, like fresh water. When I touch this type of water, I like I feel really jolly. I feel really happy. I become happy, really. I can't say it through my words. What should I say? I don't know, but I'm talking randomly. You can see, guys, and you are like listening. This is the view. Oh wow, this is pretty view. You can see. And okay, I'm gonna show you the view, the surrounding us, and this is our boat. And finally, here is me. Okay, by the way, I should in this video, because I don't know what should I say, but I feel like that I should share this type of scenery that I am enjoying right now. Okay, so by the way guys, if you want to enjoy this kind of places, you can come in my place. I'll show you how to enjoy, how to ride boat, and how to collect water lily, everything I will teach you. Okay, don't worry about it, and I will bring you with us. And and one more thing, that is I should say, they're better than me, because they are they can ride boat perfectly, and they know how to ride perfect way boat. But I'm not like that. I can't, but I can ride boat, but not like them. By the way, you can see guys, probably they're collecting huge water lily. This is really oh my god, white and very fat water lily. That's cool. Oh my goodness. By the way, my okay. By the way, now I'm gonna end this video. I will make another video for you guys. Bye right now. This is really sunny, and fresh air is hitting me, and not only hit me, it's just hitting my heart. Okay, bye.